Good afternoon, Blue Room, and welcome to Exploration Blue Room episode 2. Today we are going to be doing a quick little experiment using some white vinegar, an egg, preferably with a white shell, can be with a brown shell, and a glass mason jar. First, as always, we're gonna wash our hands. All right, Blue Room, the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and get your jar. You wanna fill up your jar pretty much the top with your white vinegar. However, make sure you leave a half an inch at the top. This is to make sure your jar doesn't explode. Let's go ahead and fill. So you can see at the top here that I've left just about a half an inch to make sure that there's room for it. Next, I put in my egg. Now that my egg's in my jar, I'm gonna go ahead and take the top of my jar. I'm gonna very loosely screw it on. I left a little bit of room so that it can breathe. And now I'm gonna leave it for 2 days. See you in a little bit. Hey, Blue Room. So I'm gonna check back in on the egg that I left yesterday. So I just unscrewed the top, and as you can see, my egg inside looks a little bit different. First, I'm gonna touch it. Ooh, it feels a little gooey. And when I look at it, I'm noticing that some parts of it are gone. The shell of it is gone. So if you look really close to my egg, you can see lots of little bubbles. Those little bubbles are the shell actually going away. And the foam at the top is where the shell's going. Let's go ahead and take it out real quick. Ready? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my jar and I'm gonna pour it out into this to make sure that my egg doesn't fall through. Let's try it out. When I do that, I notice two things. First thing I noticed is that all the white stayed inside. That's the parts of the shell. Next thing I notice is that you can see where my shell is disappearing right there. And my egg, I can now see through it. I can see all the liquid moving around in it. I can see the yolk in the middle, and it feels really gooey. It kind of feels a little squishy. As you can see, I can kind of squish it up and down. It's a very strange looking egg. And when I wipe it, all the shell comes off right in my hands. So this is a shellless egg, a nice ooey gooey shellless egg now. You can play with it. Make sure you stay over a sink. It smells like vinegar. It's a really cool thing. So go ahead, take a look, try it out at home. Blue Room, please be very careful with your eggs. They are very slippery once you take them out, and this might happen. Please be careful. Thanks for joining me on Exploration Blue Room. Next time we're gonna check out something else really cool.